Hi, hello, my dear students. So now, problem number 3. Measure of two quantities along with the precision of respective measuring instrument is A is equal to 2.5 meter per second plus or minus 0.5 meter per second. B is equal to 0.105 plus or minus 0.01 seconds. The value of AB will be. So here two quantities precision is given like for the instrument A value, B value. What we need to find in the question? AB value we need to find. Already we discussed in a previous lectures root AB value we find. Here what value we find? AB value we need to find. How to find AB value here? So just a simple thing here. So for finding AB, let Z is equal to AB. What value we need to find? That we consider as let Z is equal to AB. So what we need to find? Z plus or minus delta Z we need to find in the question, right? So for this one, Z is equal to AB. That means here Z is equal to AB, let Z is equal to AB, Z plus or minus delta Z value we need to find. Some options are given. Which option is suitable we need to find here. Now Z is equal to AB. So write Z is equal to. So already given A is equal to 2.5 meter per second plus or minus 0.5 meter per second. This is written in the form of A plus or minus delta A. B is given 0.105 plus or minus 0.01. That means B plus or minus delta B. This is. So now Z is equal to, first we need to find AB. First we need to find Z is equal to AB. First we need to find. For that one, A value is 2.5 into B value is what? 0.105. 0.105. So from this 25 5 is 125. 25 into 0, you should 2 here. 25 1 25. 25 1 25. 25 1 26. So we got like this here 26, but here observe carefully. 3 plus 1, 4 digits are there. That means 3 plus 4 digits are there. That means 0.2625 we got. So now 4 digits. How we have to rounding here? Here 2 digits are there. Here total number of digits are 4 digits. That means which is less that we should choose. This is 2 digits. That's why 2 digits we should choose. That means what is this? So here for the 2 digits 6 is there. Number which is greater than. That means we consider Z is equal to AB here. Z plus or minus delta Z value we need to find. Already observe 0.25 Z value. Here 0.25 only Z value. Here 0.25 only. Here 0.25 only. That means we need not to find here Z value here. Finally we got here 625 na. So that means we consider here approximate 0.25. So because already they given 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25 they given. So we should not need not to find here, because if different values are given for this here, so then we need to find. But here 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, all the cases 0.25 is given. That's why Z value is 0.25 we consider. Then but delta Z value is different values are given. So for find delta Z, then after that Z plus or minus delta Z we apply, we got answer. How to calculate delta Z here? Z is equal to AB. So that means delta Z by Z is equal to, according to our errors multiplication concept, delta A by A plus delta B by B. Delta B by B. That means delta A value is what? Delta A value is 0.5. 0.5 by A value is what? A value is 2.5. 2.5 plus delta B value is 0.01 by B value is 0.1. 0.1. Now from this 5 fives, how many times it is here? 5 fives, and that means here 10 power minus 1, here 10 power minus 1 going to be cancelled. Finally, what is left here? 1 by 5 is left here. 1 by 5 plus 0.01 means 10 power minus 2. Here 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 2 plus 1. So finally, what we got here? 0.2 plus 10 power minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. 10 power minus 1 means 0.1. What we got here? 0.3 we got. What we got here? 0.3 we got. That means delta Z is equal to 0.3 you got. So delta Z by Z value is what we got? 0.3. So you know that here what we need to find here? Delta Z value we need to find. Delta Z by Z is equal to, we got 0.3. That means delta Z is equal to 0.3 into Z. So that means 0.3 into Z value is 0.25. That means 25 3s 75 here. 25 3s we got here 75. That means how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. That means 0.0. So 0.075. That means here rounding of a decimal here. 2 digits are there, here 3 digits are there. We consider only here 2 digits. That means after decimal 2 digits. That means rounding up to here. That means what is this? So this 7 is greater than 5. Whenever greater than 5 is there, just we add 1 for this. Then we got this value is nearer to this. This is we got 0.075. That means nearly you got here 0.08 meters we got. That means delta Z value is 0.08 meters. Z value is 0.25 meters. Now how we represent Z plus or minus delta Z? Z value is 0.25 plus or minus delta Z value is 0.08. So 0.8 meters. So what is the answer for this one? So option A is correct. For this question, option A is correct. Next question. Problem number 4. The equation of state of some gases can be expressed as equation of state of some gases expressed as P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. Here P is nothing but pressure, V is nothing but volume, T is nothing but absolute temperature. And A comma B R are constants. The dimensions of A and B are dimensions of small a and small b we need to find here. So now what is given equation? Given equation P plus A by V square into V minus B is equal to RT. So this is a given equation here. So for this one, what we need to find? Dimensions of A and dimensions of A and B we need to find from this question. So whenever like this question is given, find dimensions of A, find dimensions of B, or like that asking in the question. So what we did for the initial step here, simple thing now. P plus A by V square, V minus B is there. That means here P is added to A by V square. That means what is the meaning according to our dimension rules? According to our dimension rules, one parameter is added to another parameter means definitely dimensions of that parameter in this parameter both are same. So observe carefully, listen carefully here. One parameter means A by V square is added to P. That means dimensions of P is equal to dimensions of A by V square. And again here V minus B means here V is V is subtracted from V here. That means dimensions of V is equal to dimensions of B. That is very important. So while we are adding or subtraction or multiplication or division, definitely here for addition or subtraction, same units only we subtracted. That means same units means same dimension formula. That means a simple logic here. Dimensions of according to dimensional rules, dimensions of P is equal to dimensions of A by V square. That means here dimensions of P means already they given pressure. What is dimensional formula for pressure? Pressure P is equal to force by area. Force dimensional formula ml T power minus 2 by area is meter square means L square. That means what we got? L square cancel. M power 1, L power minus 1, T power minus 2. Dimensional formula for pressure is M power 1, L power minus 1, T power minus 2. Next, V is nothing but what here? So V is a volume here. That means dimensional formula for volume. Volume square. Volume square means meter cube whole square. That means meter power 6. Meter power 6 means this is indicated by L power 6. Dimensional formula for volume square is equal to L power 6 here. What we need to find here? Dimensions of A we want. So dimensions of small a is equal to dimensions of P into dimensions of V square. Dimensions of V square. That means the dimensional formula for P is M power 1, L power minus 1, T power minus 2. And into here dimensional formula for V square is L power 6. That means what we got here? M power 1, L power minus 1, L power 6, A power M into A power N, A power M plus N, minus 1 plus 6, L power 5, L power 5, T power minus 2, This is a dimension formula for A. So dimension formula for A is M power 1, L power 5, T power minus 2. Next, dimensions of B. So same concept. Dimensions of B is equal to dimensions of V. Dimensions of V. That means dimensions of V is what my here? L cube, because volume. V means here volume. Volume unit is meter cube. Then dimensional formula for volume is L cube. So that means L cube. So dimensional formula for B is M power 0, L cube, T power 0. This is a dimensional formula for A and dimensional formula for B. So like this we need to solve, like this questions are given, we need to solve like this. Next question. Example 5. If L and R are respectively the inductance and resistance, the dimensions of L by R will be, like this dimensional formula questions are asking in examination. L by R will be, L is nothing but what? Inductance they are given. So inductance formula, we know that EMF E is equal to L into di by dt, because EMF is directly proportional to rate of change of current. The EMF is directly proportional to rate of change of current. That means we are removing this proportionality limit, we are placing some constant. That constant is called here self-inductance. L is called here self-inductance, L value. E is equal to L into dA by dt. From this, L is equal to E into dt by di. That means voltage, EMF is unit the same as that of voltage into time by current. Voltage into time by current. Time is fundamental physical quantity. Current is fundamental physical quantity. What about voltage? Voltage is not a fundamental physical quantity. While before writing dimensional formulas, we convert all parameters in the case of fundamental physical quantities. That means we know that voltage V is equal to formula. So we know that W is equal to VQ. That means the W is equal to voltage into charge. Then V is equal to W by Q. W by Q. That means dimensional formula for voltage. Dimensional formula for voltage. Voltage V is equal to formula W by Q. Work done. What is the unit of work done here? So we know that work done is equal to work done dimensional formula M L square T power minus 2, because Newton into meter. ML T power minus 2 is a Newton, into meter means L, M L square T power minus 2 is the dimensional formula for work done. Charge, dimensional formula for charge, already we discussed dimensional formula for charge. Q is equal to, generally I is equal to Q by T, then Q is equal to I into T. So here charge Q is equal to I into T, that's why charge Q is equal to I into T. So for this one we got ampere into time T. So finally we got M L square T power minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 A power minus 1. Dimensional formula for voltage is M L square T power minus 3 A power minus 1. Voltage we know. So dimensional formula of voltage we write M L square T power minus 3 A power minus 1, and again time is there, time is represented as T, current is represented as A. So then total we got M power 1 L square T power minus 3 A power minus 1 minus 2, and T power minus 3 plus 1, that means minus 2, T power minus 2. So here dimensional formula M power 1 L square T power minus 2 A power minus 2, that we got here. Next, so then dimensional formula for inductance is M power 1 L square T power minus 2 A power minus 2. What about resistance? Because R is here, resistance. Dimensional formula for resistance. R is equal to resistance. So we know that V is equal to IR, then R is equal to V by I. Already we got dimensional formula for voltage. What we got, ma? Dimensional formula for voltage, what we got? M L square T power minus 3 A power minus 1. M L square T power minus 3 A power minus 1 by I. Dimensional formula for I is A, ampere. That means what we got here? M power 1 L square T power minus 3 A power minus 2. So this is resistance value we got. Now we find L by R. We need to find what? Dimensional formula of L by R. So L by R. So we got here L by R. L dimensional formula is M power 1 L square T power minus 2 A power minus 2, and R dimensional formula is resistance dimensional formula M power 1 L square T power minus 3 A power minus 2. A power minus 2 cancel, M cancel, L square cancel. What we got here? T power minus 2 by T power minus 3, A power M by A power N. Formula A power M by A power N, A power M minus N. That means this is a formula. That means T power minus 2 minus of minus plus. That means T power 1 we got. That means L by R dimensional formula is L by R dimensional formula. What we got? T power 1, or we represent like this also, M power 0 L power 0 T power 1. So this is the dimensional formula for L by R. Now which option is correct here? M power 0 L power 0 T power 1. So option C is correct for this question. Thank you.